if you read between the lines with Ace Barbers, lagi niya nang sinasabi that his purpose is to regulate social media. Let's not kid ourselves. He wants to regulate social media content, not social media. Because if social media, there are already other ways. He will talk to Facebook, he will talk to X, Instagram, whatever. He will talk to the people who could actually do something about it. What he wants to regulate is content. Kasi, for example, he would say, yes, ang laki ng issue niya sa sa mura. Yung inulit-ulit niya dun sa Feb 18 second hearing, yung mura. And he says, paano ba kayo pinalaki ng magulang ninyo? And it's, what he said is a clear indication that Ace Barbers is the most out-of-touch politician ever. Can you imagine, issue sa'yo ang mura? When yun na nga lang ang natitira sa mahihirap, pipila. So I asked a waiter, because we were in a room, and then I asked him, sabi ko, kuya, masama ba talaga? Ikaw ba nagmumura? And he said, pag sobrang nagagalit na ako, ma'am, nagmumura na ako. Kasi ang gobyerno ngayon, nangyayari sa yung nanakawin yung PhilHealth, makakamura ka naman talaga. For Ace Barbers to have never experienced a situation where he would cuss out of frustration is an indication that he's so out of touch, and he's saying this from a place of privilege.